So today we will be discussing about the types of SEO and their functions. Jyotsna and Tuheen, do you remember what is SEO?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
SEO is the process to rank website in our search engine top.
Yes, good. Jyotsna, what about you?
What, ma'am?
Do you remember what is SEO?
Yes, SEO is the search engine optimization. It is a kind of software when you try to make help for searching things better.
Sorry, what you said, it is a kind of what?
It is a kind of software to the users when you try to help for searching things better.
Now, we are talking about SEO only. Like SEO is not a software. SEO is
But you,
basically the activities we do so that we can improve the ranking of our website on search engine. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. So now we will be discussing about types of SEO and their functions. So first of all, like search engine optimization has various types, and like each part or each type has their different functions, like where we can do some activities so that we can optimize our website for a better visibility in search engines results. And the primary type of search engine are basically as we will be discussing now. The first one is on-page SEO. We discussed about on-page SEO in our previous classes as well. So the now we will be discussing about the functions here basically because we already discussed it twice. So the function of on-page SEO involves how you optimize your pages, like individual different pages of your website, so that the web pages get ranked on the search engine rankings. And it includes optimizing content, like whatever content is present on your website. And show you like this is like whatever content is present in this page, I have to optimize it properly. I have to use like the meta tags. I have used the meta tags. I have used like meta title, meta description. I have properly used the keywords. I have properly used the H1 tags or the heading tags like properly. And everything is properly designed in this page. So I have to take care of these things like even you can see the images, the videos, the infographics, everything is to be taken care of when we are doing on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is basically when we do some activities which are done on our website, that is will be considered as on-page SEO. And I have told you about that this includes optimizing content, meta tags, images, and other on-page elements like videos, H tags, and whatever like infographics, whatever is present there, so that if the page is like more relevant and valuable to both the user and search engine, because whatever our page or website contains, we should clearly like give the results to the user and the search engine that yes, sorry, yes, this is our page and this is what it contains. This is the H1 tag, that this is the meta tag, this is the meta description. So this is everything about our page. So we have to clearly mention it. Then we have off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is basically when we do some activities which are like done outside our website. So these things I have shown you that we actually do these things on the website, within the website. But if we talk about off-page SEO, we go outside our website, do some activities so that we can improve the website's authority, relevance, and which will help us to improve our website's visibility overall on search engine results. Like common SEO tactics basically include when we do link building, when we get links from other website to our website back, social media marketing and influencer outreach. When we talk take the help of influencers so that we can improve the website's ranking. So that will be considered as our off-page SEO. Then technical SEO. So technical SEO is basically when we handle all the technical aspects or technical things of our website so that we can improve its crawlability, indexation, and overall performance of our website. And this basically include the page optimizing site in speed. That the website speed should be good. We have talked about Google Page Speed Insight. The sole purpose of Google Page Speed Insight is to improve the speed of our website and give user a good experience. Then our website should be mobile friendliness. We should like the structure of the data, whatever is present on our website should be properly aligned and everything should be in proper form. And if we have XML sitemaps, we have to create proper XML sitemaps as well. So any one of you have any idea about what is XML sitemap? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so XML sitemap is basically a kind of roadmap file, if I say in clear, like simple word. And the full form of XML is extensible markup language. And it basically what it do is it lists all the URLs of a website in a proper file, and we create that file so that search engine can effectively find and crawl and index the content of that XML file. I hope that is clear to you.
Madam, full form of XML?
Extensible markup language.
Okay.
And you can simply examine sitemap generator. So there will be multiple websites through which you can generate the XML files. We will talk about that in when we do technical SEO basically. So that is basically I was briefing you about what is XML sitemap. So XML sitemap, to be like very precise, it is just a file where we have all the URLs of the website. That's it. And why we have the all the URLs of the website so that we can like the search engines can find, crawl, and index that file's content on like whatever search engine we are using. Then we have local SEO, as the name suggests, local. It is to like optimize the website for local search queries. Like if I am searching for restaurants near me, then the restaurant who are near me should be optimized in such a way whenever someone searches for a location or nearby location, then their business should pop up. So it is like very important for businesses that have a proper geographical area, proper like offline, who are has a proper office or a cafe or whatever they have, or like if they are working in a proper designated area, then they should go for local SEO. Local SEO basically involves like Google My Business profile, which I have showed you already. And local site, we have to obtain local citation also, and we should get positive reviews from the customers so that like if someone searches for our business on like Google's My Business or any other area, then our business should have like good reviews, like then people will be, there are chances that people will be visiting to us. And locals, obtaining local citations means that like the local citations are when a local business, like whatever the business name is, whatever the business address is, whatever the business phone number is. So citations basically include NAP. So this is important thing that citation means NAP. NAP is name, address, phone numbers. Then we have mobile SEO. In mobile SEO, like mobile SEO, basically, as the name suggests, mobile. It basically focus on optimizing the website for mobile users, which help a seamless or user-friendly experience to those who are accessing to our website from mobile device. And this basically include the responsive design, that it should be very responsible. It should fast. It should load fastly, and the content should be according to the mobile screens only. Then we have voice search SEO, like with the every one of you know that voice search is like getting a lot of people are using voice searches now, and virtual assistants as well. So voice search SEO basically include when you have to optimize your content that can be easily discoverable through voice searches. So it basically includes you have to add conversational keywords, and you have to provide like proper and relevant answers only. Like the answers should be very precise when you are providing the answers for the keywords. So talking about the conversational keywords, this term. So conversational keywords are basically the long tail search phrases or long tail keywords similar to whatever the like naturally spoken languages that people ask questions in, like what we should use those type of keywords only, which I have like people can be using commonly. So we have to use those type of keywords, and they look very natural, like if someone is asking for like for example, if someone says it is chilly in here in keyword search, then you might get a result about the cold weather. So that is how the conversational keywords work. That is how it should provide answers to your voice search. Then we have e-commerce SEO. So e-commerce SEO is basically for online stores only, and it involves like when you have to optimize product pages, category pages, and overall whatever the e-commerce website provides, you have to optimize it so that you can improve the visibility of it and drive organic traffic. Then we have YouTube SEO. So YouTube SEO basically focus on optimizing video content for better visibility of YouTube search results. It includes using relevant keywords, good thumbnails, titles, and video description and tags. Then we have content SEO. Content SEO basically includes when we create high quality, valuable content that is basically optimized according to the search engines, and it includes keyword research, creating good and shareable content, and addressing what our users actually want. Then we have international SEO. So in international SEO, we target audience in multiple countries. International SEO basically focus on content for different languages and regions. It involves hreflang tags, which hreflang tag is basically when you get the translation options in websites. Whenever you visit on Google or any search engine, you get an option to translate that website to English or whatever language you want. That is hreflang tag. Then we have geo-targeting, targeting based on what geographical area it is, creating a region-specific content. Like if in a particular region, like if in Italy, people are more interested in pizza or anything, then we have to make content according to that only. Not they won't be like finding something related to Indian food or which is very like Indian food, and they will be searching according to what they actually want. So we have to create content according to what our user want. So that was all about types of SEO and what are their functions. I hope that is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will be discussing briefly about on-page SEO. I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first, now we will be talking about on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is basically, we talked about it multiple times, that we have to optimize individual web pages so that we can improve the ranking and organic traffic of our website. It have like we have to make changes in the elements of web pages so that it is more relevant and valuable for both users and search engines. The main goal is to ensure that the content is easily understood by search engines and provide a good experience to our visitors. Now we will be talking about the key components of on-page SEO. The first one is keyword research. So we have already done keyword research. We have to we have identified the relevant keywords, which are like the relevant keywords to the content of our page. We have used this tool Google Keyword Planner for our keyword research, and these both are paid tools to find the good keywords, and we have to check with a good balance of search volume and relevance. So these are the things we already done practically. Coming to title tag, so title tag, what is a title tag? Title, and we have to craft it, we have to make it very concise and descriptive, including and we have to include the main keyword as well. The title tag is displayed in the SCRPs, and it is very important if we are running an ad like click-through rates. So this is, for example, I have searched for XML sitemap generator. Now, please understand very, please, if you can note it down in your notes or notebooks, whatever you are using, that this which I have highlighted, this is the title tag, which comes under meta tags. So we have in meta tags, we have meta title, meta description, or title tag, whatever we can call it. So this is the title for this website or for this particular home page, we can say. And this is our meta description. So meta title should always have the keyword in it, like always, and it should be of 50 to 60 characters. Please note it down. So this is meta title, and below that, these two lines are considered as our meta description. Is that clear to like all of you?
Ma'am, please repeat it again.
So we were talking about meta tags. In meta tag, we have meta title and meta description. So this one, which I have highlighted, this is considered as a meta title or title tag, which tells about, which is the title of the page. Yes, this is the title of this page, which you will be opening. So that will be considered as a meta title or title tag. And it should be of 50 to 60 characters. And below that, we have this meta description. It should be of 150 to 160 characters. And this tells about what this page contains, what we can expect from this page. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries related to the same?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Lean, is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear to you? We discussed
Ye-
meta
Yes,
title.
ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the next part. So we have discussed title tags. Now we already discussed about meta description, that we have to create a good meta description that summarize the content of our website, that basically summarize what the page consists of. As I told you, that this shows us what exactly we can expect from this page. And meta, like these meta description cannot directly impact our rankings, but they can influence click-through rates. Like whenever we run an ad, people will read the description, and there will be chances, if they find the description good, they can visit our page. So we have to, and we have to include the keyword as well, like in the meta title, in this title tag, and the meta description as well. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have header tags H1, H2, H3, and they go on to H6. And we can so yes. So this is my page, and if I have to check for like the, so this one is best digital marketing course in Gurgaon. This is our H1 tag. You can see on the screen that it is written H1 tag. So, and then the H1 tag is the main tag. The font size is always bigger in H1 tags. Then we have, this can be H3 or H4, and we have to take care of, like whenever we are using H tags, it should be in proper sequence, like everything should properly align when we are talking about the H tags. Like you should always use it in sequence, like not like this. If here you are using H6 tag, and here here you are using H1 tag, and here H3 or H6 tag. No, you should always use in a sequence, that yes, I'm using H1 tag, then I should use H2 tag, then H3, H4, H5, H6 if required. But it should be in proper sequence only. Okay. These are basically header tags. And this is the like main heading, and rest of them are the subheadings. Why we use it? It helps us to organize and break down the content according to what we have written for the page. Then we talk about URL structure. You must have seen the URL structures or URL of every page you have visited. So you have to create SEO friendly URL that are very easy to read, and it should contain the main keyword as well. And you have to use like avoid using unnecessary things in your keywords, and you cannot use special characters other than this slash and this dash. The rest special characters should not be used, like not even think of using these special characters other than these in your URLs. And it should contain the keyword as well. Like my keyword is best digital marketing course in Gurgaon, so I am using that keyword in the URL, and I am not using any special characters except these two. So you have to like create your URL very carefully. Then we have keyword placement. You have to place the main keyword like in such a way that it is included. Like firstly, it should be included in the first paragraph of your content. Like this is our like first. This is the keyword we are focusing on. So in the first paragraph, we have already added the keyword. Like make this a habit whenever you are doing like writing a content and adding keyword in it, that it should like maximum 10 lines. Like within the first 10 line, your keyword should be there. then only like it will be considered as good content. And you should not do keyword stuffing, like you can like randomly adding any keywords anywhere. No, you have to properly use keywords throughout your content. Like I have told you, you have to use it in the first paragraph, you have to use it in the heading, you have to naturally blend all of the keywords within the content. Then we have social media integration. In social media integration, you have to encourage social sharing by adding social media buttons on your website. Can show you. Let me check if it is present in my. Yeah. On this side, on the right hand side, you can see we have Prayug's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp, and then we have Twitter as well. So you should always add your social media handles on your website. While like this thing do not directly impact your ranking, but they can contribute to increase visibility and traffic. Then we have content quality. So you have to create quality, high quality, informative, and engaging content. And the content should be relevant to what the user's query is. And you should always try to make content that answers your user's question. And it should add value to their life. And longer in-depth content basically performs in search engine ranking. So you should try to make as long as content is possible, but not that much long that people don't even try to look over it. So you have to keep the length of the content very precise. Then we have internal linking. Internal linking is basically when you link one page of your website to the other page of your website, and it basically helps you distribute link equity. It improves navigation, and it basically encourages the users to explore more of such content. Like if I go from this page to this page, so this is interlinked, and if I go from this page to no, I will show you in the example. For example, this is this is a blog, and I have linked uh, the page of our website to this keyword, which is on the blog page of our website only. So if I click on it, I'll be redirected to data science course. So this will be considered as interlinking, connecting, or like linking one page to another. So this will also take me here only. So this is considered as internal linking when you link one page of your website to the other page. So is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will be discussing about off-page SEO. So off-page SEO basically refers to when we optimize efforts which are done outside our website so that we can improve the website visibility, website credibility in search engine result pages. While like on-page SEO basically focus on when we optimize content elements within the website as we discussed just now, but off-page SEO basically involves building authority or trust and relevance through some external factors or some external efforts, I must say. And talking about the key components of off-page SEO, the first one is backlink building. We have to acquire high quality backlinks. Backlinks are basically the links which are coming back to our website from some external website. We have to get backlinks from authoritative and relevant website, which is like the main or the fundamental aspects when we talk about off pages. So search engines view backlinks as a how like what are backlinks for search engine? It is a vote of like confidence. It indicates that your content is valuable and trustworthy if you get the backlinks. Then we have brand mentions and citations. So you have to encourage online mentions of your brand, product or services. Like whenever someone mentions your brand, it shows trust in the brand. And then citations in online directories and local listing can contribute to your online authority. Citation is mention your business details, that is NAP. What is NAP? Any one of you remember that?
Name, address, phone number.
Yes. Good. Then we have guest blogging, as the name suggests, guest and blogging. So we have to write and publish content on other reputable website in our industry that can help us to build backlinks and establish our expertise in that area. We have to make sure that guest posts provide valuable information and are relevant to the hosting site's audience. And then we have social bookmarking. Social bookmarking, as you know, like any one of you knows about what is bookmarking means. Students, do you know what is bookmarking?
No.
Jyotsna, do you know what is bookmarking?
No, ma'am.
Do you both of you know about the bookmark? Have you heard of this term earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is a bookmark? Okay, whenever you read a book or a novel or whatever I can say, you add a bookmark, a thin bookmark wherever you stop. So that is a bookmark. Okay. Yes, or no?
Madam, please say again.
I am saying like if you read a novel or any book,
Hmm.
so whenever you, for example, I read 2 pages today and I need to stop now. So
Hmm.
how will I mark that page that I have stopped at this page? So tomorrow I will start from this page only. So I'll add, you have seen bookmarks, so like thin cards or whatever we can say them. We
Oh,
like use that as a bookmark and we close that book. So that is a bookmark. Marking something is considered as bookmark.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, talking about the term bookmarking is like basically all like saving something or organizing properly. And talking about the social bookmarking, like if now you can understand the term social bookmarking. It is basically an online practice which we do where we can like store, organize, or tag other web pages using some keywords, or we can allow users to access and share those links from any devices. So we have to submit content to social bookmarking sites, which can help us to increase the visibility and attract users who may share or link to it. Examples are Reddit, Stumble Upon, Dig. We will be doing this practically, maybe in the next class. So don't worry about that. You will understand it very clearly. Then we have content marketing. So content marketing, you have to create high quality shareable content that naturally attract link and social share. Content can be infographics, articles, videos, or other engaging content, which help you like establish your site as an authoritative, as a good resource. Then we have forum posting. Forum posting is basically when, like, you must have seen there are websites where people basically discuss related to any of the topics and you post your comments in that. So that will be considered as our forum posting. We have to engage in relevant online forums or communities which help us to share our knowledge, to get answer question and answers, to build good relations. It basically include a link to your website in your forum signature whenever it is appropriate or whenever it is necessary. So that was about the theory of page SEO. So I hope all of these things are clear to all of you. We will be doing off-page SEO like in next class practically the social bookmarking thing or the other social like the off-page activity practically.
Madam, one question.
Yes.
Suppose I am writing a blog on real estate.
Okay.
So I am using the backlink of Magic Bricks or 99 acres, etc. Then should we take permission from Magic Bricks or 99 acres for using their backlinks?
First of all, understand the concept of backlink and link building. So you cannot use backlinks. Backlinks are naturally generated when you add link of your website to some other website. So when you add links of your website to other website, that is considered as link building process. Yes, you can do on relevant, like if that website is relevant to your business, to your niche, to your industry, yes, you can go for that website without like only by signing in and adding your content. You don't have to take permission for that. Like if they allow you to add content on their website, that is the whole uh, like issue. If they yes, they allow you to post content, yes, you can like make a profile over their website and you can add the content with the website's URL. So that will be considered as link building. And backlinks are basically the hyperlink you get like through link building from one website to another website. Like it is not necessary like in every website, if you add link to your website of your websites, you will get a backlink from that. It is not compulsory. Maybe you have done 10-20 backlinks and you can get only sorry link building and you can there are chances that you will get only one or two backlinks very like in a very difficult way. So firstly understand the concept between difference between link building and backlinking, and then if the website allows us, yes, we can add content there. Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, actually, I want to know about the assignment again.
Yes, please go ahead.
Assignment.
I have uploaded the assignment on your portals. I have mentioned everything, every detail in the assignment. You can go ahead and if you find any queries, you can connect with me on the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You just have to like it is the same. You just have to follow all the steps of keyword research we have done, which we have done in the keyword research class. The only thing is, you can like I have given the links as well for keyword research for Prayug, but you can like choose any other website as well, and you have to define the niche first, and then you have to do the keyword research how we have done in the keyword research class. Okay. But the deadline for the assignment is 27. Please like submit on or before that. After that, no like assignments will be entertained. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for joining. We can end our today's class here and I'll see you in the next class. Bye everyone. Have a nice
Okay,
day.
ma'am. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.